Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills. Can you believe it? I forgot to turn on my tablet, so I'll try to do that. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. So I may not see your comments, you guys, because this is kind of an unscheduled. You guys know I don't normally pop on a Thursday morning, but today I am popping on because it's August 31st, and I wanted to remind you that all of our kits are on sale. So go over to my website, MemoryINKers.com, look under the products, like the menu, and you'll see a button for kits, and you'll see all of our kits. And when it shows them, it shows the regular price crossed out with the new price for today's the last day. So if you're going to go shopping, go to my website, use this hostess code, please, 3, S as in Sam, Y as in yellow, E as in Edward, 3, E as in Edward, 4, A as in Adam. Okay, I got that out of the way. So I thought that what I would do is I ordered a kit, and I thought I would just do one quick card for you out of this kit. This one is normally $13. It's on sale for $11.30. And it is called Blossom Wishes. It's a little bit unusual, but I picked it because, you know, the holidays are coming and we want to maybe buy gifts. And some of our friends don't stamp, so they don't have stamps and they don't have ink, right? So this is one of the many kits. There are a lot of kits out there that do not require stamps. They actually, oh, let me see if I can get it out of here. They actually have everything you need in the kit. And look at all these dimensionals. There is a boatload of dimensionals in this kit. And glue dots. So while I'll be putting it together using my awesome liquid glue, your friend, if you buy this as a gift for someone, now remember, I'm always saying, because I don't have enough of my previous to Stampin' Up! Friends that actually craft. I have a few, but very few. And nobody in my family. My daughter kind of, sort of. She really doesn't do it anymore now that she's not as well. But it's a good way to get your friends into how much fun we have, right? So you can get them kits without even getting them stamps or an ink pad or anything. But if you want them to get the ink on their fingers, there are kits for that too. So let me show you what's in this kit. So you get enough to make 8 cards. You're going to get 4 of these kind of strange looking half circles, and we're going to be using that. And then you get 4 of these smaller cards. I don't know the dimensions. Let me see. Hang on. I just popped up and I could see a couple people are watching. So hello. So this is 3 1/4 by 6 1/4. And I don't know if you can see that it's embossed with a chevron pattern. I'm hoping you guys can see that. So you get 4 of those, and then you get this beautiful blue. Actually, I think this might be one of our purples. Let me see. It'll tell me. Hold on, you guys. This is what happens when you're impromptu. Who am I kidding? This is what happens all the time. Oh, Orchid Oasis or possibly Starry Sky. It's one of those. Okay. This is Sweet Sorbet. Okay, so I'm going to pull out an envelope and I'm going to pull out a card front. And then it has all of these little fruits. I think there's a couple of pages of this. So I'm going to pull out some of the pears because that's what this card calls for. And then it also calls for a, look at, can you see that this is, what's the word I'm looking for? Foiled. It's foiled. So, and it comes in other languages. So if that's your thing and you have, and you know what this, well, we all know it says you matter, but I don't know. I couldn't tell you there. Or if you just want to confuse your friends, right? So you've got enough of those. And then for the other card, you have Happy Birthday. And you've got a couple of sheets of that. And then there's these circles that are for the other card and larger cards. And the larger cards are, hold on. The larger cards are 3 1/4 still by 8 1/2. So it's about a business size envelope, but they give you the cool matching envelopes. So that's really nice. Okay, so there we go. We've got that. All right. So now I'm just going to quickly put it together. Our kits for your friends that you're buying these for, or yourself, of course. It does show you everything in here, and it even, let me see if you guys can see this. We're going to be doing this one. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So if you can see, it tells you like the dots, all right? And it may be a little confusing for the new people, but you can help them understand that the larger circle means dimensionals. The smaller circles would be for the glue dots. Oh, and somewhere, I'm missing parts to this because I know I have the vellum somewhere. I'll have to hunt it down because I need it. Oh, you guys. What did I do with it? I had it all stacked together. There's some vellum pieces, and I knew that there had to be another piece of this somewhere. Oh, there they are. Okay, cool. So there's also these vellums, and there's also this batch here. There's 2 sheets of that. Okay, so now I'm a little more organized. Okay, so anyway, you can see it kind of tells you everything on how to put it together pretty simply. So that's the one we're going to do. I'm going to set that off to the side so that I can review it. I think I'll be okay because I've done this once or twice, right? All right, so very, very simple card to put together, which is great for our friends, right? So we're going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to grab mine. Oh, I guess I'm all out of white regular dimensionals. Oh, and I need to zoom back out. So let me do that. There we go. And I can see I have made everything crooked. Okay. All right. Now I can do it better. All right. So I'll go ahead and use these. And I'm going to put, just like they say on here, it's showing 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 6 dimensionals. So I'm going to grab them and put them, oh, not on the card, Carrie. There we go. One there. And I just thought it would be fun to show you guys how quick and easy these cards are to put together. They're really super, super simple. Okay, so there's that. So you just peel off the transfers on this. You guys know this, but think about if you're helping a new friend, someone you bought this for as a gift, or maybe you're just hanging out with other friends and you're making this yourself. I don't know why my bracelet insists on flip-flopping around, but it always seems to. All right, so now you've got your card front, and this is going to kind of center to the side here. So you kind of want to make it even, which of course I'm not good at even, Steven. You guys know that. All right, and then we're going to take the pairs and we're going to put some dimensionals on the pairs also because it says to. So I'm just following right along if you guys can see that. I know it's probably hard to see on video because it's light. I wish that they printed them a little bit darker, but they're kind of light. So how is everybody doing? I will go back and look at your comments, I promise. Oh, I'm going to move that one over so it's not right on top because I don't want it to lift up here. So I'm going to put that there. See what I mean? I had one there. I don't want that one to have like a double thing. If you want to put a little bit like a glue dot or something there to hold it down, you can, but you don't really need to. Then we're going to take one of these pretty vines, flowers and vines. I think I guess they're all the same. I'm trying to see if they are. They are not, but I think this is the one I want. Is it? Yes. See, there's the little thingy that's going to match up with my pear. Okay. So now this is where your friend can use her glue dots. I am going to go ahead and use my liquid glue. And I'm just going to put it where I know it's going to touch. So a little bit there, these leaves, that little dot right there. And the rest is not going to get any adhesive, okay? Because it's standing up a little bit. If you want to take the time to cut a glue dot to have that stay popped up, or you could even glue it down so it kind of gives it some dimension, which, you know, I've done that before. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, because I kind of like it to look like it has dimension, and this way it will have just a touch. There we go. And I'll just hold that for a minute. And then see how it kind of lifts then up onto my pears. Super simple. Then we've got these pretty little flowers. They're kind of hard to see. They're little clear flowers, and they pop out of this vellum. And these, I believe, will need a glue dot, although I'm going to fake it, and I'm going to just put little dots of adhesive where I want them to go and see how that does. I'm going to want one up here, it looks like, and then one here and one there. Whoops, that's a big one. So I'm going to take this and set it on that big one, and then move it over here. Okay. So you can use the glue dot, you can use your liquid glue, but these are so cute, right? You just got to be careful taking them out so they don't tear up. You may want to use your tweezers or take your pick tool to get those set in place. I'm using my nails, so that works too. And if you can, if you've put your glue in the right spot, which, you know, here it didn't go exactly perfect, but then you can put these the little yellow centers on top of the actual glue, so it's kind of hidden away. That one is where I had a little too much glue. Okay, but look at how easy, and for your friends it might be easier for them with the glue dots, you know, because you can take it and stick it right to the glue dot. I guess I should have showed that, but okay, look how cute, right? And then all you have to do is grab the sentiment, You Matter, and according to this, that is up on dimensionals also. So we're going to grab some dimensionals and we're going to pop that up also. Oh, I guess that's just a white spot. There's white flecks on this, and I thought I got something on it, but no, it's part of it. But, you know, this is just one of the cute little cards in this kit. So, like I said, go shopping now for the holidays. Today is the last day. Today is the last day for the kit sale. Okay, so if you think this is a fun kit, and I have to say, in person, I'm hoping you guys can see, but in person, this card is so much cuter than it looks in the picture. It really is so much cuter. So I'm sure that this one will be as well, but I only made the one. I'll make the other one for you another day. But, so like I said, this was just my little reminder that the kits are on sale. I know I'm popping back in today, and I'm going to be adding some more kits so that I can share them with you in the future. So hop on over to my Stampin' Up! Website, MemoryINKers.com. Please use this hostess code unless you're ordering a lot. And don't forget also, oh, let me finish that thought. If you're ordering a lot, don't use my hostess code because, you know, if it's $150, you get your own hostess credit. So don't use that. But if you don't, please use it because that's how I can give stuff away. Also, as a reminder, for those of you who placed orders in July of $50 or more, your coupons are expiring today. You got email coupons after you placed your order, and for every $50, you got a coupon code. So, please go check those out. Okay, bye you guys. Have a great day.